pull over to the right and reverse back 2 cars length. So you check your center mirror, the right mirror, you signal to the right, you position to the center white line and start slowing down. Looking ahead, if there's a car coming, you stop in the middle of the road. Once the car goes, look at your center mirror, the right mirror, and start moving towards the right curb. Keep rolling until you feel your car becomes straighter, and then go forward and stop the car and secure your car. Then the examiner asks you to reverse your car, do your observations, and then keep your car reasonably close to the curb. Now, whenever you are ready, you need to make sure that you prepare yourself. So you go back to the reverse gear and you must do your observations. So David is going to the reverse gear now and he's doing his full shoulders check observations there. When you're reversing, it's important to go slowly and keep looking over the shoulders check and keep your car reasonably close to the right curb. Now you don't need to keep going all the time. If you can, that's good. If you are slightly struggling with the confidence, you can stop and you do observations as well. It's perfectly fine. You must stop for any cars coming from ahead and from the back, because obviously depending on the road, this road is very narrow. So keep looking over your shoulders check, guys, when you're reversing. You can glance your reverse camera if you have got one in your car, but don't just keep looking over there. What's important is your controlling of your car, you keeping your car really close to the curb and looking over your shoulders check. Now once you've done it, you simply secure the car and tell the examiner you have completed this maneuver, and if the examiner is happy, he or she will say to you, drive off when you're ready. So again, you go back to the drive, and then after that you check all the mirrors and signal to the left, then look at your right shoulder, then the left shoulder when you're ready to go, because your danger is coming from your left. Once you start driving, check all the mirrors again, please.